Hi, I am Sandeep Raut. I am director at CPC Preciputs Private Limited. This company is a Raut Group of company involved in manufacturing of precision aerospace components. So being in aerospace, there was always a challenge in front of us to satisfy our customers on the level of accuracy and the level of repeatability they are expecting. To manage on-time delivery and first-time right component, we needed a very good machines because the end users of our parts are like Airbus, Boeing and US military, which is very demanding when it comes to traceability and accuracy and repeatability of the components. So we decided to start our enterprise with the help of LMW, wherein we ordered 2 axis, 3 axis, 4 axis and vertical machining centers. So today we have a fleet of more than 50 machines over a period of last 7 to 8 years. All types of machines we are using so far. We have no issues, and so far we have no complaints over accuracy or roughness values or precision and aesthetics of the component. We are producing around 400,000 parts every month today, and we are the number 1 vendor or number 2 vendor preferred supplier to the aerospace buyers, which are like very demanding customers to us from last 7 years. So far when it comes to service, I am surprised to see these machines are working 360 days from last 7 years, and there is hardly 1% breakdown, which is negligible, which is also preventive, and in service point of view also that is manageable. We can manage the preventive, but we had never come across any serious problems or any serious failures working with LMW. We have a great support from their regional team as well as from the headquarters. Our feedbacks, whatever feedbacks we have provided so far, I see they are getting implemented on the next machines which are on order. So every time when it comes to the new inquiry, new RFQ or expansion of our business, our first choice is LMW. We need some developments in logic and changes in logics. Their application team is very punctual and very smart enough to develop and reprogram the machine as per our suitable application, so that we get the same productivity which is desired by customer, wherein the customer in domestic level in US and Europe are using American and European machines. So LMW is always ahead one step when it comes to application support, and that's why we keep investing on a reliable supplier like LMW. Thank you.